Godda Rontoso. We have already shared recipe of the popular Konkani breakfast, Rontoso and Dali Toy. The link is given in the description below. Now here is the sweet version of it. Hope you will try this one too. For making Godda Rontos, heat a kadai and roast 1/4 spoon of methi seeds to a golden brown. Keep it aside. In a pan, add half cup of grated jaggery. Add a little more if you want it very sweet. Add 1 cup of water and boil so that the jaggery has just melted. Filter for impurities and keep it on warm mode. Now adding the methi seeds in a mortar and grinding it to a powder.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सकटाई चैताय दुकुनो नंक छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्वाने ये मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कोरका.
Here is 2 cups of rice flour. Take care that the powder is very finely ground. Add the powdered methi and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Now add the hot jaggery water little by little and mix the flour. This 1 cup was just right for me to knead the flour to a smooth soft dough. Adjust water quantity as needed. Now that the soft dough is ready, pinch out small portions. You can use a greased plastic sheet as shown in the previous Rontoso video. Or you can use a banana leaf like this. Grease it and keep a small piece of the dough. Fold the leaf and press. The dough will have flattened to a small puri shape. It should be a little thicker than the usual puri that we make. In the same way, make out a few puris at a time and then deep fry them. Heat oil in a deep bottom kadai. When the oil is hot, drop a puri and press down in the oil as the puri tries to rise up. This helps it to fluff up fully. Flip and press down again. When golden brown, drain out. Do similarly with the rest of the puris. Your tempting Godda Rontos is ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. As always, do like, share and subscribe.